don't see nothing there.
Nothing under there? What about under there?
Nothing.
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 Should we go to the back room? Anything back here? Check under the chairs and stuff.
Daddy's looking good. Because you never know where you might find it. That Easter Bunny is kooky. I never know where he's going to put things.
Nope. Anywhere.
Yep, you never know.
Where did Daddy go?
Is this a fish tank?
What the heck?
Wouldn't be able to see it in there. There's too much algae.
What about in the kooky closet? Maybe it's hiding with that crazy little big.
Oh no, that one's Mommy and Daddy's.
You found ours!
You found it.
Wow. Shit. Chocolate covered craisins. So
Whoa.
those are special for Patsy.
Damn.
Thanks.
M&M's.
What a
M&Ms.
smart. Wow, that looks delicious. Thanks, Easter Bunny, wherever you are. Nice stuff to find Grace. Ooh, are you ready?
Got my belt.
Now we still got to find yours, Gray.
Right.
Where the heck?
Find yours.
Let's find yours now, Gray.
Cherries.
Those look good. Very good.
Where is mine?
Where is yours?
Where could it be?
Look.
That's not it.
That's the one.
Those are our eggs that we decorated. Did we look in the
Come on,
bathroom?
Dad Pad, help me. Help me, Dad Pad. I
Help
need
me,
help.
Dad Pad.
I'm looking.
Oh.
Is it in there anywhere?
Nope.
Hey, what about in these cabinets? Nope, just a toilet brush.
Where the heck is it? There's Robin. I'll ask him. Robin, where's the baskets? He said he doesn't know.
He doesn't know.
Let's
He
go
said-
look in the living room.
He said you'll have to.
Nothing in this room, right? Nothing in the back room.
Nope.
All right, let's go to the living room.
Where is it?
Look in the TV. Anything in the TV?
No. That's a Dumbo.
Just a Dumbo movie?
What's that in that kooky pull-out thing?
I think where we could have been.
Empty.
Huh. Keep looking.
Nope.
Let's look under here. Anything?
Hey.
Want to climb up on the
Buddy,
chair
there's
and
a
look all
secret
around
in
here?
What,
In
baby?
there anywhere? Behind there?
I'm going to use there. I found it.
Oh, get out of here. Is that where he put it? Holy.
How did that bunny carry that? Oh my goodness!
How can we see that over there?
Yikes!
He's a special bunny.
Look at what
A big one.
It is a huge one.
Oh. Kale wants something.
Of course she does.
What does she want, Mommy?
She wants everything.
I think
Look
she
at this
does want
amazing
Gail,
Easter
get your-
What's in your basket?
Get your shoes.
you open.
Me?
Uh,
Alright,
Me
what's
and
the
you.
other? We've got a bug kit. We can catch more cat claws.
We were just talking about we need one of those.
Ours is broken. How great is that?
Buddy!
A picture of a bug.
Look!
What else? Oh, a cute little girl. A cute little mermaid girl.
Joey could not eat this.
We're not going to let her.
No.
Well, I bet he could.
Just like the one me and Grandma got.
Oh, he did?
Yes.
Oh, that bugger.
He's a seagull. Look, Kayla just shaking
She
my
maybe
arm.
was gonna, maybe she was gonna
I think
go out
she
and
would
catch some
eat
bugs.
What else is in here? What else is in here? Whoa, what's that?
Just a bee.
How do you push this button? Wow.
What is it?
It's a kooky bunny thing.
I can put it somewhere in here,
Later on, we can go in the closet in the dark.
Oh boy.
maybe? Pop.
Chocolate bunny pop.
Oh no.
Oh, no, he's right.
Every day.
Every day.
Whoa.
Yikes.
This thing's cool.
If you put it somewhere.
Don't worry, Kayla won't eat it. She's not like that.
Nope.
He does.
She won't eat it. What is that?
Huh, cute.
fired it. Mommy.
Look at that. It's kind of like your Looky Loo, but it makes everything huge.
Look.
Whoa.
I see Daddy.
Am I bigger?
Whoa.
Maybe if you hold it a little farther away from your eye.
Yikes. How did he hide it under the
I don't know. That must be the strongest bunny in the world. Look how we're such a little thing with an Easter bunny with an egg.
Oh.
Dudley's. Aw, that's cute.
Look.
That's a little snow globe.
There's
You must have known that you like snow globes.
Yeah, you Easter bunnies on it.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
And another Easter bunny inside it. Look. I'm shaking it really hard. So now look how snowy
It's very
it is.
snowy in there.
Very snowy.
They sew it on the bunny.
Maybe it'll snow tomorrow for Easter.
Yikes.
I hope
I
you
think it
agree.
did once, actually.
So I can do whoop, whoop, whoop.
Well, my mom said this morning it's done snowing for a long time, thankfully.
Oh, I think he clipped that little one on there so it wouldn't
Oh,
get
is it
lost.
good? That's cute.
That's just,
But yeah, but it's just, let's see what this thing is.
Tattoo.
They are tattoos.
I want to put one on me.
Sure. Want to sit here?
no.
Whoa.
Trim to this.
Stickers.
Stickers?
Bunny
Sunburn
stickers.
stickers.
Cool.
Bunnies.
I like that.
Another book
Yes.
about bunnies.
Yes.
I got grass.
You got grass.
Oh,
That's-
shovels.
Oh, I think you could use those to help Daddy plant things.
Wow.
One is for you and one is for
Here,
me,
here.
Daddy.
Alright, sounds good.
Hey, maybe I could read you that story later of Peter Cottontail.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter. Thank you, Easter Bunny.
Happy Easter, Gray Gray. Says the Easter Bunny. Brocka, brocka, brock.
How cute this little
Don't you want,
The tale of Peter Rabbit.
don't you want to wear my cap collar?
Oh, here it is. Here's
Say
the
thanks,
picture.
Easter
Don't
Bunny.
you want to put that in a dog house and then buggies
Sure.
and open this?
We could hide, wait, I just want to show you. Look, this is a stamp.
I want to stamp.